Okay, so again, let's start by skimming and scanning this question. Now, if you can skim and scan this question over here, if you skim and scan it, what do you get by skimming and scanning this question, right? If you go through this, it's something related to Darwin, right? Okay, let's start reading. In The Origin of Species, Darwin provided abundant evidence that life on Earth has evolved over time, and he proposed natural selection as the primary mechanism for the change. He observed that individuals dash in their inherited traits and that selection acts on such differences leading to dash change. Okay. What happens? He observed that individuals do something. Okay, I cannot say similarity. Doesn't make sense because I can see the word difference is here, right? So most likely the answer is supposed to be different or differ. Can I say he observed that individuals different in their, that doesn't sound correct, so I'll go with differ. Differ in their inherited traits and that selection acts on such differences, leading to dash change. Okay. So we can't say political change. It's not about politics. Can't be evaluated. It's either evolutionary or evolutionary. Now the word change is a noun. I'll go with evolutionary because it sounds evolutionary is an adjective. Okay. Although Darwin realized that variation in heritable traits is a prerequisite for dash, he did not know precisely how organisms pass heritable traits to their offsprings. Okay, it is prerequisite for what? Growth, developing, helping, no. By the sense of the question, I would go with the word evolution. Okay, that this is a prerequisite for evolution. Okay. Just a few years after Darwin published The Origin of Species, Gregor Mendel wrote a groundbreaking paper on inheritance in pea plants. In that paper, Mendel proposed a model of inheritance in which organisms transmit discrete heritable units, now called genes, to their offsprings. Although Darwin did not know about genes, Mendel's paper set the stage understanding the genetic differences on which evolution is based. He set the stage for, I'll go with the word for understanding. He set the stage for, okay. Now, if you go with that idea over there, I think this should be the best way to do this, okay? Let's confirm this and let's check our answer. What is the right way to go with this? There you go. It's totally correct. So we've done a pretty good job here so far. I hope I was able to explain all the questions. Please make sure that you read the question very carefully. So good luck, everyone, and read carefully.